Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the Home Depot affiliate program and show you how to earn money by promoting one of the largest home improvement retailers in the world. If you've ever wondered how people make commissions from home improvement products without owning a store, this video's for you. Let's start with the basics. The Home Depot affiliate program is run through several affiliate networks, including Impact, Flex Offers, and Rakuten, which makes it easy for beginners and experienced marketers to join. Once you sign up, you get access to a wide range of products, everything from power tools and appliances to gardening equipment and home decor. This means you have plenty of options to promote based on your audience. One of the biggest advantages of the Home Depot affiliate program is its reputation and trust. People know Home Depot and feel comfortable buying from them. When you recommend a product from a brand people already trust, your chances of earning a commission increase significantly. You don't need to convince people of the quality. The brand does that for you. Now, let's talk about how you earn money. Home Depot pays affiliates a commission on each sale generated through your unique affiliate link. The commission rates vary depending on the product category, but on average, you can expect around 2% to 8% per sale. While this may seem small compared to some programs, the value of Home Depot products is often high. For example, a $500 appliance at 5% commission gives you $25 for a single referral. Imagine multiple sales like that every month. It adds up quickly. Another advantage is the variety of promotional tools. Home Depot provides banners, text links, and product feeds that you can use on your website, blog, or social media channels. If you're running a home improvement blog or a YouTube channel, you can integrate these links naturally into tutorials, product reviews, or best-of lists. This allows you to create content that provides real value to your audience, while also earning commissions. One key tip is to focus on seasonal and trending products. For example, during spring and summer, gardening tools, outdoor furniture, and grills sell extremely well. During fall and winter, heaters, insulation products, and holiday decor see higher demand. By timing your promotions with these trends, you can maximize clicks and conversions. It's also important to consider long-term content strategy. Instead of just posting random product links, build content around problem solving. For instance, tutorials like how to install a kitchen faucet or best tools for DIY home renovations allow you to naturally integrate affiliate links. People searching for solutions are already in a buying mindset, so your conversions will be higher. Now, let's talk about tracking and payments. Home Depot provides a dashboard through its affiliate network where you can track clicks, conversions, and commissions in real time. Most networks pay monthly once you reach a minimum threshold, so it's straightforward to monitor your performance. You can also optimize your campaigns by testing different links, placements, and product types. A little strategy tip: if you have an email list, you can create content like Top 10 Must-Have Tools for Home Improvement Projects and include your affiliate links. Even small lists can generate consistent sales if your audience trusts your recommendations. Similarly, Pinterest and Instagram are excellent platforms for product discovery, especially in the home and DIY niche. High-quality images linked to Home Depot products can drive sales and earn you passive income. Finally, consistency is key. Like any affiliate program, success with Home Depot doesn't happen overnight. By creating valuable, evergreen content and promoting products your audience actually needs, you can build a steady stream of income over time. The best part is that you don't have to handle inventory, shipping, or customer service. Home Depot does all of that for you. Your focus is simply connecting the right audience to the right products. The Home Depot affiliate program is an excellent opportunity if you're in the home improvement, DIY, or lifestyle niche. With trusted products, a wide range of items, seasonal trends, and multiple platforms to promote, you can earn meaningful commissions while helping your audience solve real problems. With consistent effort, creativity, and smart promotion, this program can become a reliable income stream for any affiliate marketer. Subscribe the channel for more videos.